if someone feels like they need an attorney because they've been injured as a result of someone else's negligence or misconduct, one of the things they want to make sure is that they hire an attorney who actually practices in that area of law. Sometimes people will go to attorneys who are happy to take on a personal injury case, but really don't have experience in that area. Lots of times those attorneys will refer the case to someone who does do personal injury, but sometimes they'll try to keep them in-house as well. And if they don't have the experience and the knowledge to really handle the case correctly, there can be steps that are missed or overlooked. There are a lot of different moving pieces in a personal injury case. You've got to deal with health insurance liens, if someone was hurt on the job, workers' comp, the fact that the workers' comp carrier has to be paid back. There's a process for that to be approved through the Department of Labor. So there's just a lot of overlap with different areas and different aspects. It's not as simple as some people think. So if you've been injured, you want an attorney who has experience in handling injury claims, because they're going to be in the best position to know all those little pitfalls. Just like if I was hiring someone to do a will for me, I'm going to go to someone who knows how to do a will. I don't do wills, and I would expect that someone who doesn't do personal injury would hopefully say that, but that's not necessarily always going to be the case. So look at what their experience is and look at what their practice is. The next thing to be careful of is attorneys who promise you things right up front, because it is impossible to value a personal injury case the day someone walks in the door. You don't know how quick someone's recovery is going to be. You don't know if they're going to have ongoing limitations. You don't know if they're going to need care in the future. And until all of those pieces are put together and you can really get a good idea of what's happened to someone, what impacts they're going to have in their life, and only then, once you really have a good feel for all the damages that have been incurred, and once you really know what happened as far as how the injury occurred, who was responsible, what did they do wrong, how bad was the conduct, until you have all those pieces put together, you can't value a claim.